Real estate term of the day, statutory right of redemption. We don't have this in Florida. This happens in a title theory state. Florida is a lien theory state. In a title theory state, by the time you miss that third payment, there you are foreclosed. Not that they're starting foreclosure. No, you're foreclosed. However, because the foreclosure happens so quickly, the law, it depends on the state, depends on the loan, have to give you 6 months, 1 year, a year and a half for the owner who used to be the owner of the house time to be able to pay off the loan, interest, and attorney's fees and be able to get their property back. Oftentimes, they let the owner or the borrower stay in the property as a tenant, paying some kind of rental because the lender prefers to have someone there taking care of the property than having an empty house. Because as they're giving you the time to pay off the loan, the lender can't sell it. They have to wait. And that is that statutory right of redemption. Does not exist in Florida. In Florida, they have to sue you. And once the foreclosure process ends, it's over. It ends. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one tutoring session, go ahead and pick a time and date. And of course, I'm referring about the state test for the real estate sales associate or the brokers. Till next time.